can ask that in the beginning. And then you can say, hey, have you ever had professional lights installed? And if they say yes or no, you're going to go with the same spiel either which way. And that is pre-qualifying them. If you don't pre-qualify right out of the get-go, there's no use staying on the phone when they see the price. And so awesome. And so you can tell them about how the service is. It's an all-inclusive service, red carpet service, whatever it is. We're going to make your house look amazing, blah, da, 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 da. Our packages start at $600, $900. I don't care, whatever you say. And our average customers' packages are about 2,000, 1,500, whatever you want it to be. Would you like a detailed estimate? And shut up and don't say another word. And the phone's gonna do one of two things. They're gonna say, "What? Are you freaking crazy? There's no way in hell I'd pay that much. You're out of your mind. You're more blah blah blah." Right? That's one. Well, you just pre-qualified that customer. Or it's gonna go quiet, and they're gonna think about it, and they're gonna say, "Okay, that sounds good." Awesome. And now I'm going to go through and I'm going to get their name, email address, phone number. And when I get this, I'm going to ask my way through it.